feels good to him. Oh yeah, he likes that.
I know.
Yeah.
See the very tip of his tail over there?
Well, he likes that. I think he wants more.
I know.
Oh, you didn't comb him?
Yep. But I do it
Don't
as
forget the
sauce.
monkeys.
Do you love your...
But when he gets a bath, I dry him off.
You dry him off and then you comb him?
And I he just did this. He just moved his back like this.
It was twitching, wasn't he?
Yep, that's what cats do because when they feel that.
He's a good kitty, isn't he?
He's Albert.
Alfred.
Oh, yeah. He likes that.
Massage that kitty.
That's
Not
my
you,
dog.
Bubba Lou. We don't need you to
That's my
massage
dog
him.
too. Well, that's my dog. Me to Lola, and Hendrix is nice to Lola.